Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now we have broken out. We're getting a retracement. We have got key levels of resistance above, which I'm going to show you. We do need to see them broken, obviously, but you can see pretty much what we do. We've got this low here, and then we've got this low here. So it's a higher low at the moment, isn't it? And essentially, you could just draw a trend line like that, and you got your big horizontal still, and it's not necessarily a big descending triangle because you've not come down and retested these summer lows. Okay, so it's all about these lows, obviously. Like I said to you, you hold these lows, you're still looking to come up. You lose them lows, start hitting your head, you're coming down because you're rolling essentially. So no bear market structure here. Corrective, okay, ABC correction, holding support, looking for the continuation of the trend. And like I said to you, I think I did a wave counter. We got sort of 1 2 3 4 5, and then we've got an ABC, and then we've got 1 2 3 4 5, and this could potentially be the low. And right now you're looking to retrace to these highs, take them out. You're looking at impulsive break all the way up here to the white line. Okay, it is that simple, and I mean, look at this off these lows right now. This is how impulsively XRP breaks out, and what we've got hanging over our head as well. So 40% up from them lows, and you can see that pretty much just there we're mirroring this at the moment where we've sort of broke out and we're coming into the EMAs right there. Now we do need to see ourselves get back above the EMAs, hold them as support, because that's what we'll see. You retest this trend line just there, and we are getting this sort of violent rally in February that we've been anticipating as well. So yeah, bullish because you've held these lows and you're actually creating a higher low just there. So we've got a lot of work to do here for XRP, but I would imagine that once it starts to come up and breaks these EMAs and holds them back tests, and especially closes above this trend line on the weekly time frame, wow, you could be breaking out here for XRP, and you could be looking at a beautiful long up all the way up there to $4.50 for XRP in this bull market. Okay, and everyone thought that this was a bear market, and like I said to you, it's a corrective phase of a bull market essentially. And one thing that we're sort of getting a validation of that at the moment is this breakout, lovely little breakout, but we have got key resistance. Not going to disillusion you, we have got key resistance just there, but what we've done is strong because we've held these lows. Okay, we've actually created a higher low structure just there. Do you see that? So it's basically bullish. It doesn't feel like it, but it actually is. I think on the 4-hourly time frame we're just melting faces, to be honest with you. So this is a key low resistance just there. Okay, so we did do something very similar before. We were targeting this, wasn't we? You got this ascending triangle, this kilo resistance. Like I said to you, breakout, you're going to start to come upstairs. We did the same here. You had a little fake out just there, and we got that little fake out into the EMAs as well. We've got the key resistance. We broke out, we put a huge impulsive break, and it's at that point I think we was sort of targeting some kind of cup and handle pattern. Do you remember that? Kilo resistance started to come back, looking really good, and then we lost the lows, and with that we're putting a new impulsive break to the downside, and we met the 1618 target right there. Okay, so with that, XRP at the moment, this is really crucial that it does come up and break this high there, because look, that was that high that you ran into resistance, and this is a key high just there for XRP. Okay, so if XRP starts to come up right now like this, comes up, gets rejected, it's at this point we need to hold these lows here, these lows, because you create your cup and handle pattern, and that's where you get your little breakout pattern. And XRP is really bullish, and you're looking to break out and come up to this white trend line, and this was the low, and you're going to start to form some kind of big impulsive move like this. Okay, so what we're looking for on the daily time frame is this beautiful buy and go to the beach signal. Okay, look at this signal here off these lows. This double bottom came up, fell back into the EMAs. At that point you create that beautiful buy and go to the beach signal and rode it all the way up to this trend line. Okay, and right now you can see sort of melting faces here. This would be a key level of resistance for me, and essentially start to come back like that, create your cup and handle pattern, break out and come up the stairs to that. Okay, and you got your correction. Your correction's over. You've created a big ABC inside a huge horizontal just there for XRP, looking for continuation. So yeah, this key resistance, let me give it to you. Okay, this is key resistance right now for XRP. This way you're looking to retrace to. I'm going to drop fibs on so I can give you exact targets. This is huge. I mean, look at that impulsive break. This is what XRP does. Okay, this is what it does. So from there to there, you retrace into that swing high basically, and you're looking to come up and break it. We did do this before, and we ran into it as resistance and then rolled and continued with this downtrend. Okay, so not completely out the woods. We've got key resistance above us, but that's a huge impulsive break. I mean, that break there is bigger than that. yeah, this break here is pretty much like what we did here. So you know, you might consolidate here, run back into the daily EMAs, okay, just there, run back into them, hold them as support, and then continue, because once you take out this high just there, which is a key level of resistance at 81.63 for XRP, you're going to be in an impulsive break target to the 1618 at $1.04. And you can see if you start to do that, you know, do something like this and come up there, and you close above this trend line on the weekly time frame, you start closing above this white line here, wow, you know, you're looking at a beautiful breakout here for XRP, and you're looking at some kind of big surge up to this white line, which is the $4.50, which is the 1618 target, you know, for XRP. And this is what it does, like I said to you, get caught, consolidate, breakout, caught, consolidate, breakout. Okay, so yeah, that's basically XRP. You're looking pretty tasty, and hopefully that, you know, this is the low, we've held that high, we've held that higher low, sorry, and we're looking to come up the stairs and attack that white trend line right there. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay strong, stay tuned, take care everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Bye bye.